Hi guys, here we've got Redmi 10A, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So if you wish to add this super screen protection, just open settings, then find and select passwords and security, and here click on fingerprint unlock. And at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, or the password. Let me choose pattern. You just have to remember that if you forget it, you will have to restart your device, reset it, so you will lose all your data. So let me provide the pattern, then re-enter it just to confirm. And now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. So just turn your device around. Here you've got the sensor, and all you have to do is to keep tapping on the sensor. And here you will observe the progress. So just keep lifting your finger up and then place it on the sensor till it's fully added. And this is it. Tap on done, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So just tap on the fingerprint sensor, and here we are. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.